Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would ask ChatGPT whether I should become a data scientist. And I guess really it's whether you should become a data scientist, because I've worked as one alongside being an academic and researcher for a long time. And then I'm going to ask it whether it's going to steal my job. So should I become a data scientist? ChatGPT. Okay, it's decided to sit on the fence a little bit, and I found that some questions where they are quite subjective, it will start with this kind of there's no easy answer type of information. But what else does it say? It's a rapidly growing field. This is true. They are in high demand. This is true as well. Doesn't want to tell you that you should, but gives some good details here. So let's ask it now how we should go about doing this. Ask, how do I become a data scientist? Okay, so I like that it is recommending Python or R. I would definitely include those as well. Going to be really interested to see whether it mentions SQL, because that is probably the one thing on top of some Python and or R that is going to be pretty helpful. This is pretty good stuff. So here's some steps. Strong foundation in math and computer science will certainly take you a long way. Skills in Python and R. Really, I would only add SQL to this, and I think this is pretty good. Building your portfolio. So there's often questions get asked from people that have started their journey, whether it's through a degree or they've just started kind of doing some online courses and learning bits and pieces. And this is something that I recommend all the time. Build a portfolio. If you can show examples of your work, that is going to take you a long, long way. And so let's ask one more question. Will ChatGPT get rid of data scientists? So it's certainly going to change how the job works. I can promise you that. I would be more bullish on the chatbots taking over than this chatbot is. The way that I have seen it produce code and even be able to answer basic questions, choosing the correct analysis to do, is pretty darn powerful. It does make the good point about the automation of tasks, so being able to kind of think more deeply, do the decision making, things like that is what is going to really help. This has just been a short video looking at ChatGPT, asking about data scientists. In the short to medium term, I still think it is a very, very good career to get into if you're interested in maths, stats, coding, things like that. And certainly I would now add to that being able to use ChatGPT and similar tools, because they are going to be what you will be using in the future to automate some of the tasks. And so I would learn how to be able to generate code. And also, as I'm learning statistics and data science, really that more deep decision making, choosing correct models, interpreting things, finding the nuance, and then being able to tell the story are the things that I think the AI systems are going to take much longer to be able to get to.